Right, so here's the setup. Everything is all put together. I had to put the Magic Eye tube in a bag here to stop it flopping around shorting and stuff. And so I got my DC voltmeter across the B plus here, and the primary of the audio output transformer. And we'll start to juice it up and see if anything happens or not. And I'm probably going to do this really slowly because I need to find out whether these guys start heating up or not. Because if I have problems with these guys, we'll be back to square one. I'll have to restuff them because I cannot imagine finding anything of the same form factor these days. So yeah, we'll see where we go. So we'll start off at 50 volts, leave it for a little while, and see where we go from there. Is at 100. Filament lighting up here. Can't see on the ECHs. ABL filament is starting to glow. We still got about 100 volts to go here. Let's go to 200. And we have action through the speaker. Methinks it's time to find a type of antenna that I can, piece of wire I can just chuck in the antenna. Seems stable enough. I'm leaving it at 200 volts here for a while. Definitely something happening there though. So I'm going to leave this here for like 10-15 minutes like this, and then I'll give it the last 45 volts or so to get to the rated mains input. Then I'll stick an antenna in it and see if we pick anything up. Well, audio section works. Okay guys, it's later on in the evening now. I've brought the set into the dining room because the active loop is right outside the dining room window, so it's a bit of a pain. I got to move it around to the other side of the house. So it's outside the workshop. Anyway, we're set up in shortwave at the moment. So I'll just scan around a little bit on each of the three bands. We'll see how we get on.
O delegație a originarilor din Etiopia. Unii observatori apreciază că evreii originari din Etiopia iau ca exemplu ceea ce se petrece în Statele Unite. Demonstrația de la
睇下中國窮，邊個就光榮。新衫都要叫媽媽打上補丁，鞋亦都要打補丁。一雙鞋着到爛晒，又破又舊，但係補。
يعود للعالم الروسي إيفانوفسكي وذلك في عام 1892.
هل تعلم أن أول من اكتشف عالم البكتيريا هو العالم الفرنسي لويس باستور؟
هل تعلم أن أول
kii bi du mën a yegg day wàcc demaat ci baax bi waaye su ngeen defee position bi nga xam ne bopp bi daa xaw a jutu rek kon foofu acide boobu dina mën a ñëw.
when there's so many stations that are so close together, when you don't have band spread on shortwave, it's really tricky to tune in. But I think we can all guess where this one comes from.
Olá, caro amigo. Seja bem-vindo ao show da terceira. Sou seu Pedro. A cena está em casa agora, em plena primavera. Estação que representa o crescimento de todas as coisas do mundo. No fim de semana passado...
Scade cu 25 de grade mâine în capitală, la București acum 14 grade, de 53 de zona de mercur, presiune atmosferică.
الأسماك في ذنبها بدلا من أن تكون في رأسها.
وهل تعلم بأن ثعبان البوح العملاق غير سام وهو يماثل البيسون الهندي ولكنه يسكن أمريكا ويقتات بالثعابين والطيور ويألف الناس؟
Okay, let's try long wave.
On joue, on essaye de trouver la solution. Et là, ballon perdu par Cavani. Bessa qui récupère, Bessa c'est bien joué. Gomis dans la latéralité. Portisoko qui manque son contrôle. Encouragé par Michel Merzakarian.